More Black Friday deals, this time at the Airfix online store. There's a lot going and anything up to half price. Find out more right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm talking about the Airfix online store and its Black Friday deals. All the deals I have here are correct at the time of recording. Now do be aware, some will sell out quickly, others will join that I haven't been told about yet. So you'll need to check out the website for yourself. If you're going to do this, please go through the link that's in the information box below. That way, if you do decide to buy anything, then at no extra cost to you, Airfix will make a donation to the running of this channel. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up on the like button below. Every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Doesn't cost you anything, but you'll be sure to get notifications of all my future content as it is published. Now, let's make a start and have a look at some of the bargains on the Airfix online store this Black Friday. First up, we have this set of the Battle of Britain Memorial flight. This is an Avro Lancaster bomber with two Spitfires, an early Mark IIA and the later PR-19. All three kits in one box. It was £48.49 and it's now going for just £29.99. Dogfight doubles are sets containing two kits, paint, brush and glue. Here's the first one, the American P-51 Mustang and the German Me-262 Jet Fighter. Two really nice little kits were sold together for $33.99 and are now just $14.99. Likewise, there's a set of the Grumman F4F and the Mitsubishi Zero at the same discount. Also, a set from the Vietnam era of a Douglas A4 Skyhawk and a Mikoyan Gordievich MiG-17, also at just $14.99. For a bigger kit, we have the Lancaster Mark II, the one with the radial engines replacing the Merlins, a really nice kit to build, and now half price at just $19.99. I know some of you missed out on the Amazon deal of the 1/48 scale Canadair Sabre. Well, Airfix have it themselves now, and at an even better price, just $19.99. Not forgetting piston power, this 1/48 scale Mustang is down from £29 to just $14.99. A really nice kit to build, this one. Then there are some gift sets, classic British aircraft like the Harrier GR9, the mighty Sea King helicopter and the iconic Lightning fighter. Each of these in 1/72 scale with glue, paint and a brush, now just $14.99 each. Airfix haven't forgotten armour either. There's the early Tiger I, the Cromwell Mark VI, the American M36 and the lightweight German 35T Panzer. Each of these kits has been sold previously at $36.49. Each is now just $19.99. That's a 45% discount. There's also a solid 40% off these American GMC tank destroyers, now selling each at under £25. And finally, there are these cars. Many of these are 2023 release kits. Not as huge a discount, but still down from £15 to $11.99. I just wonder if they're not selling as well as was expected. These offers are correct at the time of recording, as I mentioned earlier, which means that some of these offers will go really quickly. Other offers may be added as the weekend goes on. I think the number of offers pretty much doubled over the last day or so, so do keep an eye on it. Best thing to do, remember, use the link in the information box below there if you'd be so kind. Go to the Airfix online store and check it out for yourself. My advice is, if you see something you like, get it. Get it while it's there because, as I say, a lot of these offers are fairly limited stock and they're going to go out of stock really quickly. If you've enjoyed the show, please do remember, give it the old imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and then at no extra cost to you, you'll be notified of all my future content as it is released. Thank you so very much for watching today. Hope to see you again very soon on the channel. Take care now. and goodbye.